In today's digital world, if you want to survive and make money online, learning AI is essential. In this video, I'm going to create a README generator app that will beautifully organize your messy GitHub account. To build this application, I will be using WindSurf by Podium, an AI-powered code editor. Before we begin, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And your support encourages me to create more valuable content for you. Now let's start building our README generator app step by step. So let's start. Now I'm going to create the README profile generator website, and I'm using WindSurf. Inside new window, you will go open folder RGA. I'm giving my folder name. Yeah, that's done. Now here you can come, and I'm using, wait, it will take some time to load the things. By the way, if you are new in this code editor, so first what you do, you can go to the Google Chrome and download here Podium extension. Else you can download the entire AI editor, and then based on that, once your download completion is done, you can use this application. Whatever you do, means whatever project, everything if you create, everything it will come here. And so this is my code editor dashboard where I'm right now there. Okay, and if you want to extension also, you can click on that and you can download extension inside your VS Code. So I'm not using VS Code, I'm directly using the Podium WindSurf editor, and this is developed by the Podium. Okay, so yeah, now it's already there. And before starting this, you need to log in via your email ID or Google account. So yeah, that's already done. Here three things there: Sonnet, GPT 4.0, and also Cascade based no credit. For this one, if your premium, it means this is mostly for premium. But if you are a first time user, it will give you 14 days free. So for me, I am also using similar kind of things. And once your 40 days is completed, then you are not able to generate premium things. You only able to access this non-premium code base. Okay, so I am using Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. It's very good. And yes, now I am coming to my prompt. So I've already made my prompt. This is my prompt, and I will share you this prompt in description. Okay, same prompt you can use, and if you also want to include a specific technology you can use. So create a README profile generator website. Using website should allow user to generate customized GitHub profile README file with live preview, marking down free and now. You are open on GitHub account. Try to make UI responsive, and use JSON based data. These are my criteria there, and I've already mentioned all the criteria what I need and all. So now I'm going to hit the enter button. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay, mostly what technologies they are using. They are generating. I will structure this modern application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so these three things this application used by. Okay, let's see how much time it takes. See, my already entire HTML creation is completed. Okay, once creation is done, you need to accept this code. So I have accepted this code. Okay. Now my data.js is creating. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so creating this thing, and if you want to modify this code also, you can do it, but later I will tell you how you can modify and how you can see your UI and all. Okay, this is my data.js. Okay, here my all data is there. Okay, this is default data they are taking. Okay, and now this is my index.html which already I accepted, and this is my style.css. Okay, it's almost, see how much time it will took, not more than 5 minutes. Yeah, so this is the power of AI. Okay, now I am going to accept all the code. Okay, and I'll come to my folder when my code is here. RGA, my folder name is there. download, go to the folder. Here is my folder is there. I'll click on that. Okay, so always okay. Now see, see my GitHub account is coming. Okay, so if you want to use this like a same README, so you can organize, but this is not looking good. I want to fix this. See here, there are 3 templates coming: minimal, okay, minimalist, detailed. This is a detailed template is there. Okay, then a state focus. Okay, see here, if you want to change, this is a dark mode and all it's coming. What I'll do, I'll ask AI to modify this code well organized. Okay, so here I'll come implement responsive with animation and background should be gradient, also loop and peak group, and also try to handle all the button and drop down box Jenny and try to show boxes not up manner drop down box well and up down, not up down in single page, single page. So this is I'm going to do this prompt because I need also this I'm going to give. I've already given because it's looking good. Okay, but I need more good. Okay, so based on that, whatever you need, see here. Here you can give your social network site, Twitter if you are in, and markdown. Here if you want to paste anything, you can mark down and all. See, copy markdown, download your README. If I click download, it will download. So this is the basic things there. Because I'm not using any backend, I'm not saving data in backend and all. So because of that, if I'm going to use backend and frontend also, so I can handle a lot of things. Okay, I can fetch data from the GitHub APIs and then the real scenario I can do. But that is the data privacy issue there. Because of that, I'm not doing this. Okay, but in a future video, if you guys want, I will try to make that video also. Comment, give in comment if you want API based, this application. So yes, if you give me a comment, definitely I will make that video also. Okay, still this is editing. Now let update style and add the animation to edit and improve the overall look and feel. Okay. A smooth transition I have asked, yeah. See here, same thing if we ask any developer, they will take a lot of time. So these things anyone can do it. If you are a non-coding background also, you can learn and you can play this. Okay, so there are these 5 major things. Now cloud is change, visual improvement, layout improvement, and animation and transition, functionality improvement, and responsive design. Okay, let's read again. Yeah, see now how my account is looking. Yeah, now see how responsiveness there. See, if I'll click here, see the color is changing. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to Techaly AI channel.